So hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to cancel your EasyJet flight. So the first thing you want to do is to open up easyjet.com. So through there you can see EasyJet, your flight info, your holidays, your cars and extras, business and booking.com. So under your flight info you can get ready to fly. You can book your next trip, to book a flight, book a holiday, group bookings and stuff like that. But to find the status of your flight, usually you can cancel it within 24 hours of the booking. So once you've gone to here and you've gotten to your flights, and you can then choose to manage your bookings on here. Once you've clicked on that, you can see at the bottom your flights and your holidays. So this is your holidays page, but you can add or rather stay on EasyJet flights. You can find that booking right there, and usually within 24 hours of making that booking, you will get refunded straight away with a small cancellation fee that you need to pay for canceling that flight. So just make sure that you decide within the 24 hours of making that booking or booking that flight that you are sure you want to cancel it. So once you've done that, your flight will be canceled. You will get your money back if it's within that time frame. If it's not, you can check out if you are entitled to a refund because of your cancellation. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on EasyJet or some other topics you might find interesting as well. See you guys in the next one. Goodbye.